Good afternoon. I'm Dee Plusinski, and welcome to 254 Timberline Trail in South Fork, Colorado. Come with me for a moment while we take a look at this extraordinary home on the 11th hole of the Rio Grande Club golf course and resort. Let's go. Some homes are built on the mountain. This one feels as though it grew from it. Tucked into nearly 2 wooded acres at the Rio Grande Club, this remarkable Swedish cope log home settles naturally into the mountainside, surrounded by towering spruce and aspen, massive moss-covered boulders, and layers of native stone. There is an almost storybook quality to the setting. Winding stone walkways follow the contours of the land. Outdoor living spaces are tucked among the trees, and everywhere you look, the architecture seems to belong to the landscape rather than compete with it. Step inside and that same feeling continues. The heart of the home is this extraordinary great room where soaring wood ceilings, massive exposed timber trusses, and dramatic black steel joinery showcase the craftsmanship that makes this home so different. A 2-story wall of windows brings the outdoors in, framing the golf course, the valley below, and the mountains beyond. A substantial flagstone fireplace anchors the room, while warm lantern-style lighting gives the entire space a glow that feels especially inviting in a Colorado winter. With 4,466 square feet, the home offers plenty of room to gather without ever losing its sense of warmth. The kitchen opens directly to the living and dining spaces, features custom cabinetry and granite countertops, a large center island, Wolf appliances, a gas cooktop, sub-zero refrigerator, and bar sink. From here, step outside onto the expansive stone deck and take in a view that changes with every season. The primary suite offers a private retreat with vaulted ceilings, an adjacent study, and a spa-style bath. Downstairs are 3 additional bedrooms with 9-foot ceilings and beautiful tall alder doors, along with a large recreation room and another sitting area, complete with gas fireplace and wet bar. The recreation room could be a 5th bedroom if you so desire. The walkout lower level leads to another stone patio and fire pit, nestled beside one of the property's enormous natural rock outcroppings. Radiant in-floor heat keeps the home comfortable through the winter, while a 2-car attached garage, workshop area, smart home features, and thoughtful mechanical systems make mountain living remarkably practical. And then there's the location. This property overlooks the 11th hole of the Rio Grande Club with sweeping mountain and valley views. An adjacent parcel also provides direct access to national forest lands, putting miles of Colorado recreation practically outside your door. Offered substantially furnished, this isn't simply another luxury log home. It's craftsmanship, landscape, and architecture brought together in a way that's difficult to recreate. Warm, private, substantial, and just a little bit magical. Welcome to 254 Timberline Trail. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you at the next house. Have a great day.